How to use Google Authenticator. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video today we'll guide you through on how you can use the Google Authenticator application on your device. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to use the Google Authenticator app, first of all you may just go ahead and download the application on your device. After that, simply launch the app. And when you launch the app, you'll be seeing all of the codes that you're provided for the application. But if you haven't, you'll be seeing basically a home screen where you'll be finding this section where you can find this option called set up your first account, scan a QR code and enter a setup key. So you're going to set up a key for one of your account, like one of the application where you want to set the authenticator to, for example Binance. So when you go ahead and tap on this enter a setup key, you're just going to type in the name and you'll be something like this. So you can either go to the plus section at the bottom right and click on enter a setup key and or either scan a QR code. In order to find those options on yours, in order to scan a QR code or enter a setup key, you're just going to go ahead to the application where you want to add the Google Authenticator two-factor authentication to. So just head over there and you can find the security option of that application. Just head over to the security option there and go ahead to the Authenticator app. When you click on the Authenticator app section, you'll be finding this option called enable. So when you click on this enable option, you'll be finding a QR code along with 16-digit code where you should go ahead and enter it on the section. And after going ahead and entering the section, you'll be finding something like this here. So here you can see Google where you can find the 6-digit code. From now onwards, after you have done with the verification process and everything, after adding the Google Authenticator, you're just going to go ahead and open your Google Authenticator app and you'll be finding a 6-digit code below the app that you just added Google Authenticator to. And after that day onwards, you're just going to enter the 6-digit code provided by this application. So that's how you basically use the Google Authenticator application onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.